Last year we were making cucumber salad. This year we're gonna be making carrot salad, specifically Cassie's carrot salad. So I'm just here making ribbons. By the way, this is the absolute best grater on the planet. I got it at like a women's show and they had a demo, like slice it, dice it. It's literally the best. It makes ribbons and you can also like go like that and get like super tiny rondelles. But anyways, this is not about the grater. This is about the carrot salad. Oh, and by the way, this thing you can use to like clean out like gourds and pumpkins and melons and that kind of thing. This is the best tool, but again, it's about the salad. Okay, I just went into my garden and I picked up some garlic and onion chives. I didn't have green onion razzle dazzle, but I think this will do. Plus it's fresh. And yes, I have since put some makeup on because I have to go to work, but I want to get this ready so it's like marinating so I can have it for lunch. Cutting board was getting on my last nerve. Okay, so I have some garlic here. One will do the trick. This is fresh garlic that I bought last season and it's still good. To everyone I'm gonna see at the gym, sorry. I managed to find like the teeny tiniest bit of cilantro in my fridge. Had to throw the rest away, unfortunately, but I feel like it's calling for that freshness. Okay, I don't have chili crunch, I usually do, but I actually have this Mexican salsa, which is, it's kind of the same thing, but not really. So I'm just gonna use this like as the oil for my salad, which is looking beautiful, by the way. For spice, I'm gonna do togarashi because I don't have like that flavor from the chili crunch. A little bit of sesame oil. Oop. Soy sauce, I'm using tamari. I just prefer it. I don't find it as like intense as soy sauce. And then rice vinegar. Gotta have a lot of rice vinegar. And then sprinkle with sesame seeds. And you know what? I'm just gonna add a little blob of this chili garlic sauce just because. Okay, and I'm just gonna give it a little mix. Oh, I just know this is good, but it's like 8 a.m. right now. I don't want to eat this right now. I don't want to have garlic breath in the morning. I haven't even had breakfast yet. But we'll have to do it for the vid. Okay, time to taste test. My prediction is that it's gonna probably taste like a seaweed salad, similar to Logan's cucumber salad. Let's go. That's good. I'm gonna let it marinate, and I think it's gonna be wonderful. In a funny way, these carrots were kind of old, so they're not as sweet as I would like. So I might put a little bit of maple syrup in there. Okay, couldn't find the maple syrup in the fridge, so I'm just gonna drizzle some honey and just let it rest and have that for lunch.